Hi guys, good morning. So finally, dumating na yung aking DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. And medyo matagal ko din hinintay to kasi as you know, I'm from Mindanao. And nung na-ship siya ng seller, it so happened na may bagyo for a few days, which is why it took almost 2 weeks para dumating and ma-deliver sa akin. And na-score ko to for 42,000. Well, ngayon kasi medyo palaging out of stock yung DJI OP3 or yung Osmo Pocket 3. So that's the reason bakit medyo mahal. I think usually yung presyo niya would just range, if I'm not mistaken, around 35,000. Dun sa nakakaalam, please comment kung magkano talaga yung supposedly price niya or yung SRP niya. Anyway, I'll be unboxing this gem. Yan, sealed pa siya. Okay? So, dun sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe and support my channel. Alright. Okay, so here we go. So we have here the carrying bag. There we go. And this one here is, I believe ito yung I think this is the battery handle. So, ito yung battery handle. And then tingnan natin ano pa yung nandito. So, this is also a handle. Pero wala siyang battery. So, handle lang talaga siya. And ito yung wireless microphone. So, actually maganda yung design niya kasi transparent yung ano dito, plastic dito. So, parang nakikita yung chips niya sa loob. Ito yung clip niya na pwede mo i-clip sa lapel. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay. Ito yung tripod niya. It's a mini tripod. At ito naman yung windscreen. So pag nagvo-vlog ka at sobrang lakas ng hangin, so ilalagay mo to para hindi maingay. Okay. And this is the wrist strap. Right? So, additional protection to para hindi madaling mahulog yung unit mo. Okay. Na ito naman yung protective cover. Ito yung Osmo Pocket 3 na unit. Okay. So pag hindi mo na ginagamit, pwede mo to ilagay dito sa cover. Yan. Just take it out if gagamitin mo na. And we have a USB-C cable. Oh, ito yung wide angle lens. Alright. So may magnet siya. So ilalagay mo yan dyan. Okay. Okay, so try natin yung tripod niya. So hindi mo malalagay yung tripod diretso sa unit. Kailangan mo muna ilagay yung handle. Yan. So pag nag-lock na siya, saka mo ilalagay yung tripod. And this is very convenient, guys, kasi pag wala to, sobrang liit lang ng sobrang liit lang ng unit niya. So hindi siya masyadong mag-fit dun sa ko. Especially if malaki yung kamay mo. Right? Yung pwede din to yung ilalagay mo. Yan. So umiilaw siya. Yan. Okay. So guys, abangan nyo na lang yung next videos ko. We'll do a review on this beautiful camera, which is sobrang gandang gamitin for vlogging. Alright guys, so that wraps up my unboxing video for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So please stay tuned for my future videos. I'll be doing some reviews and tips on how to use the OP3. And to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do so. I hope you support my channel. Thank you so much, and see you next time.